Hello again and welcome to Hindi writing series. I am Mamta and we are learning to write and pronounce Hindi Swar or Hindi vowels. Swar are sounds. So far we have learned a, e, u, a. Let us learn some more Hindi Swar and new Hindi words. Next swar in Hindi is O. Lips in Hindi are oat. Oat. I will teach you how to speak th in different lesson. At the moment, focus on sound O. So we say O say oat. That means oat starts from swar O. This is new word for you. Paste this picture and write oat in Hindi in your picture book. To pronounce O correctly, pronounce it as you pronounce O in English word over. O, over. O, over. Notice when you speak O, your lips are round. For writing O, please follow the pencil movement and write in the same manner. Second swar in this lesson is O. Sound O is produced by joining two sounds, A and O together. Speak with me, O. Observe, A should be short. It's not AO, it's O. Speak with me, O. The word starting with O is auzar. Tools in Hindi is auzar. This is also new word. Paste this in your picture book. O say auzar. To pronounce O correctly, pronounce it as you pronounce AO in English word chaotic. O, chaos. O, chaos. O, chaotic. For writing O, please follow the pencil movement and write in the same manner. Let's revise. Lips. Lips means oat. Oat. O say oat. Tools. Tools means auzar. Auzar. O say auzar. Let's revise all the Hindi swar which we have learned so far. A, e, u, a, o. Thanks for watching and learning Hindi writing with me. I will try to upload videos every Thursday and Saturday. Please watch and share my videos with your friends and family. Do comment down below and let me know your feedback on my videos. We will continue to learn more Hindi swar in our next lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. Namaste.